How to increase Cash App loan limits. If you see right there at the top, the spending power on this account just rolled over to a clean $100. Now, the app isn't a black box. The platform actually details exactly how the algorithm scores profiles if you know where to look. Tapping the little info icon on the side opens a pop-up menu specifically calling out Cash App's underwriting rules. To get a bigger limit, the system looks heavily at payment history on open balances, along with the regular volume of cash routed into the main wallet. And honestly, $100 is just the launching pad. Once the algorithm trusts the account activity, these limits can scale all the way up to $1,000. Instead of sitting around waiting months for an automated system to grant an increase, there is a fast-track playbook to force an upgrade. The process works by opening a tiny, zero-risk loan for just $20. Instead of instantly wiping it out in 2 minutes, which current app updates easily flag as spammy behavior, the trick is to leave it open naturally for a few days to register a clean cycle and then clear the balance before the due date. That simple multi-day usage completely proves reliability to the system, fast-tracking the account to unlock the $100 limit. To scale any account fast, the strategy is simple. Take out microloans, let them mature for a hot second, and kill the balance early. Repeating that cycle a couple of times while keeping a cash balance in the main wallet triggers the automated system to hand over the keys to the higher tiers. If managing funding inside the app is a priority, the next logical step is setting up checks directly. Watch the complete guide on how to deposit checks in Cash App, all details covered on screen right now to master account funding. Thanks for watching and see you next time.